The second step in decorating your tree is layering on 3 items: the ribbon, the filler, and the bulbs. So take your ribbon and unwrap. Wait to cut it though, it'll take some trial and error to know the length that you need it. I make 3 to 4 loops, put on a paper clip, and then tuck that into the top of the tree, like this. Then I loosely follow a zigzag pattern to the bottom of the tree with the ribbon. Wired edge ribbon works well because you can fold it and stuff it into that tree. Check out my mistake here. You can see that I did not tuck it far enough inside of the tree or fold it. I am though using that zigzag pattern, which is good. Be sure to step back, make a few adjustments, ensuring that ribbon is folded and tucked inside, and keep it moving. Now we're ready to layer on the fillers. I used large and small red berries and bundled them together with twist ties. Bend those bundles so they flow with the branches of the tree. The last layer is to use your Christmas bulb ornaments and fill in those empty spaces.